Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. Today I am starting with my pre-fall decorating and setting the foundation, which will continue on through Halloween and full on fall for Thanksgiving. And what I am starting with is these sunflower plates that we had given to my late mother-in-law, and they are perfect for harvest and early fall. Now I also picked up some great plates that will be the perfect backdrop for Halloween and Thanksgiving. I picked them up at Home Goods, and look at this. This is perfect for Halloween because it's a nice silhouette that's a great backdrop for my Halloween decorations. And then as I transition into Thanksgiving, I got this amazing turkey plate from Royal Stafford that I also picked up at Home Goods. And they have great prices, as we all know, and a great selection. So without further ado, let's get started and head on into fall for decorating. As I mentioned, I have a collection of sunflower plates that we had given my late mother-in-law, Louise. Now, Louise loves sunflowers, and so I wanted to create a display in her honor. So today, we're talking about how to decorate with sunflower plates in a way that's chic, sophisticated, and stylish without crossing into the overly themed territory. Sunflowers bring warmth and a pop of color to your table, china hutch, or bookshelf, but the key is to balance them with neutral and complementary tones and thoughtful accents. So let's get started. These sunflower plates are vibrant, yes, but if we layer them with the right pieces, we'll avoid the farmhouse kitsch look and create something truly refined. Before I start with any project, I like to do some research and find some inspirational photos. This also helps me create a narrative for my display, especially when it involves a collection of items. This is an important step as it provides more interest and depth for your collection. Side note, if you're interested in learning more about creating balance and rhythm with your china hutch or bookshelf, then check out the video I did last fall. I will have the link at the end of the video. First, start with a neutral foundation. If you're creating a tablescape, a beige or cream tablecloth tones down the brightness of the sunflowers and gives a clean backdrop for the whole setting. The neutral base helps the colors of the plate stand out without overwhelming the table. My china hutch already has a cream-colored background, so I added these woven chargers to add texture and depth. Adding metallic accents like these unpolished sterling pieces gives the display a refined and sophisticated touch. The vintage metallics add a nice juxtaposition to the sunflower plates without feeling too matchy-matchy. I kept them unpolished for a more vintage look. Next, use complementary colors to bring out the sunflower design in a subtle way. These olive green napkins from Pottery Barn echo the sunflower's leaves without being too literal. For my display, I have colored glass and ceramics that complement the sunflowers nicely. The key here is sophistication through contrast and harmony, not matching every single detail. Avoid sunflower overload by steering clear of adding more sunflowers in the centerpieces. Instead, choose lush greenery and white blooms to balance the vibrancy of the plates. This adds elegance and texture without competing with your dishes. For my display, I included some cute felt garden bugs for a touch of whimsy and texture. Keep your flatware and glassware sleek and simple. This prevents the table from feeling too busy or cluttered. Tip: if you're looking to avoid the farmhouse look, then I recommend foregoing any buffalo check or plaids, as they create a more casual and themey look. However, if you love plaids, then please keep them at a minimum. Sunflowers are the perfect accent for late summer and fall decor, and pair lovely with mini pumpkins and other harvest displays. I'll leave you with some more examples and inspiration on using sunflowers for your tablescapes and china hutches. If you're looking for some inspiration and resources for your fall table that includes sunflowers, then Pottery Barn has you covered. So, are you team sunflower or not? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy!